Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be looking at our digital portfolio and making a 1-minute video about the things we've learned. Let's get started. To begin, in Google Classroom, go ahead and find this folder icon at the bottom corner to view your digital portfolio. You could also click into the classroom, go to classwork, and you'll find that Drive folder right here at the top right corner. When you click on that folder, you're going to see a list of all the pictures and images you've sent this school year. Go ahead and take some time to look over these images and think about something you've learned. For me, I've learned about integrating technology. Along with this YouTube channel, there are so many more activities we've been able to do now, from taking photos and editing them to even creating animations, and I can't wait for next year. And I cannot wait to see what videos you have in store for me. Till next time, class, keep being creative.